All right, in this video, I'm going to do a deep dive video of the different Icon and Doyle and Quinn pliers that are going to be on sale in this upcoming Spring Black Friday sale that starts for ITC members on April 6th through the 9th, and then everyone else is from April 10th to the 13th. So I'm going to do the specific deal where you save 35% off on all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. I'll take a look at the different options they have. I'll also discuss the ones that I do have and the ones I plan on picking up. There was some comments asking if the Icon precision snap ring plier set's going to be included, and it should be included. In this set in particular by Icon is an 8-piece set, so it includes many different sizes and shapes of the different snap ring pliers between 90-degree, 45, and straight pliers in 9-inch and 7-inch versions, and that retails at 73 bucks. So it'd be a good time to save the 35% on that if you work with snap rings on a regular basis. They do have a 4-piece set that's in the 5-inch version by Icon, and those retail at $45. So if you don't need quite the wide variety of them, then it might be a better pickup to go for the 5-inch versions of the 4-piece set. All right, I'm going to get into some Doyle options now. So they have the 20-inch high performance groove joint pliers that open up to 5 3/8 of an inch diameter. And something like these are great for taking off fasteners of like large plastic pipes. In particular, I have a set of very similar pliers like the channel lock version, so I obviously paid a lot more for them. And I use them to be able to remove pool equipment and replace with. So these do come in handy for those type of larger pipe thread nuts and that sort of thing. And these retail at 30 bucks, so it might be a good pickup there, especially compared to the channel lock version. I think I paid $50 for the channel locks, so definitely great savings there going with the Doyle option. They do have smaller version of the 16-inch one that opens up to a 3.5-inch diameter, and those are priced at 20 bucks. And the next set here is the V-Jaw groove joint pliers that are the 12-inch ones. Again, I have the channel lock versions of these. This version does come in handy quite often with all the different tasks that I do. So these are priced at 15 bucks. So an excellent pickup there to save that 35%. And obviously you can go with regular style pliers of the groove joint ones. So they have many different options here. But the next ones I'd actually probably recommend picking up, and I'm gonna probably plan on picking up some myself, are the fast adjust water pump pliers that are the 12-inch ones. It has the push button jaw adjustment, and it has the jaw capacity of 2.5 inches, and those retail at 25 bucks. And they have smaller versions of the same pliers, the 10-inch version that's $22, and then the 8-inch version that's 20 bucks. These are basically modeled after the Knipex versions of the water pump pliers. So definitely a great savings going with the Doyle option over the Knipex. And the next ones I'm probably going to pick up too are the adjustable soft jaw pliers, the 10-inch ones by Doyle. These retail at 25 bucks. The thing that's nice about them is that they have the soft jaw inserts on those pliers. So dealing with plastic nuts and different fittings, like with plumbing, you don't have to worry about it marring up those fittings by using the soft jaws on there. They say it's good for oil filters, plastic pipes, and siphons, and that might be a good pickup there, saving the 35% off the 25. And if you're getting any value from this video so far, I would appreciate it you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already. I do have a goal to get to 50,000 subscribers, and as soon as the channel reaches that goal, I'll be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits to help me get to that goal, and I'll do that giveaway, and I really do appreciate that support. And it's free to subscribe anyway, so why not be notified of these tool deals to help save you money on tools. And I'll move on down here to the Icon options. So the other one I'm planning on picking up is probably going to be on the fast adjust push button slip joint pliers. So these are the 8-inch ones, and these were also modeled after the Knipex version, and these retail at 25 bucks. The thing that's cool about them is one, they do adjust, but also two, at the end of the pliers there has like a little indent there so you can remove like stripped out screws. So this kind of reminds me of the Plier pliers, which I have a set of those, but this is actually bigger than the Pliers. And those Pliers are more expensive and they're made in Japan. They're nice pliers without a doubt, but I think this would be a great addition to anyone's toolkit to go with this version to where you can grip onto strip screws. It has that nice gripping on the inside of that pliers. So these retail at 25 bucks. So again, awesome deal. Save the 35%. They have the regular 9-inch adjustable joint channel pliers at $22. And this is another pair that I have is on the Parrot nose pliers, the 10-inch ones. These are great for gripping onto different nuts and fasteners. That's only 20 bucks there. It's a good deal as at its normal price, but to save that 35%, it's gonna be an excellent deal. And the same thing goes for the pliers wrench, the 10-inch ones by Icon. These retail at 40 bucks. I do recommend you pick up a pair of these. These basically replace a crescent wrench, like adjustable wrench. It's nice about it. It has an adjustable push button there. You can adjust the size of it, and it makes it easy to grip onto nuts and fasteners, and it doesn't have the marring jaws to it like other pliers would have. So this has basically replaced the need for an adjustable wrench for me, and this was modeled after the Knip X version. That's probably around 90 bucks for that at this time frame. So definitely gonna be a great deal to save the 35% on these. Highly recommend these pliers. And they obviously have a regular style slip joint pliers that are 22. And the next one I see running out of stock very quick because these are considered like a unicorn. They're hard to keep in stock. On the 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers, these were modeled after the snap-on version, and these are very popular. They adjust to 3 different openings there, and it has nice cross-hatched and straight cut teeth for superior gripping. So these are awesome pliers as well. I have these and they're priced at 30 bucks. So again, save that 35%. It's gonna be an excellent deal on those. Highly recommend those if you can get them. And then next up is the regular needle nose pliers, 8-inch ones for 20 bucks. And they have hose grip pliers for 20. Now the flush cut pliers, it's kind of hard to recommend them because I've seen many pictures online of people breaking them. These are basically going to be very limited on what you can cut. It's basically to cut off zip ties, plastic parts. It's not going to be geared for cutting metal, just so you're aware of that. But they are priced at 35 bucks. And if you're looking to get something like that to be able to cut zip ties or materials like that, then it might be a good pickup for that 35% off. And they have the regular diagonal cutters, the 7-inch ones that are normally priced at 22. So those will be a good pickup again on those. I have a pair of these as well, and they work great. And then they have the Icon wire stripper cutter and crimpers, the 7-inch one. These are small wire crimpers, so if you deal with very small stranded wire, then these might be a good pickup for you. They go from 14 gauge up to 24 AWG, and they also crimp and have like a very small plier head at the end there. So like I said, these would only be specifically for the very small stranded wires, and those retail at 30 bucks. And I did recently do a review video on these wire cutter and crimpers that are new to the market. They just released them in the last month or two. It's these 9-inch ones. These were modeled after the snap-on version. These for me are a little bit harder to recommend at the regular retail price, but it might be worth a pickup for saving the 35% on. I will put a link up above to my review video of those. But if you're in the market for wire strippers, I would actually recommend going with the Doyle option, which are these Doyle multi-purpose pliers, Electrician's one. These were basically modeled after Klein tools or even the Milwaukee version. And I've heard a lot of great reviews on these. It also includes the bolt cutters or screw cutters, and it is a threaded insert for those bolts. So the thing that's nice about that, when you cut the bolt, it kind of rethreads the end of the bolt. So it makes it nice and easy to rethread into the electrical outlet that you're putting those bolts in. And those retail at 22 bucks. So it would be an excellent pickup there. And the next pliers I can recommend are actually the crimping and cutting tool by Doyle. They retail at 17 bucks. And these are great for doing electrical work to be able to crimp onto the different wires. They cut the wire nice and easy, and they have the non-insulated crimps and as well as insulated crimper on it. And these work excellent. And it's going to be an awesome deal, saving that 35% on those. Those I can definitely recommend. And they have other Doyle options to choose from as well. Quite a variety. Can't go wrong with Doyle. And they also have the lifetime warranty. So definitely it's a good time to stock up any pliers you're going to need in the future to save that 35% on them. Because I've only seen the 35. Well, last year it was 40% off on them, but it's definitely a good time to get them because they don't do this deal often at all. Then they have other Icon options on the S-Jaw quick adjust pliers. So they have the options in the 12, 17, and 21-inch versions. And the 12-inch is normally priced at 20. The 17 is priced at 30, and then the 21 is priced at 40. So if you have a need for something like these would be a good pickup, saving that 35%. You basically adjust the pliers, and it can really get a good grip on the fastener you're trying to get loose. So here's the back of the package of the one. So these definitely could come in handy for different applications, and certainly be great to have a set on hand. I do have the 12-inch version that I got on a good deal. I think it was 50% off on one of those ITC deals, but I haven't used them yet. So, but I imagine they work pretty good when I'll need to. And if you're looking for cheaper versions compared to the Icon and Doyle, you could go with the Quinn route. It's just if you're in the market, I would at least do the upgrade to Doyle. It is going to be a better quality plier in general, but still, you can't go wrong with the Quinn because they also offer the lifetime warranty on them. But it's just going to be a little bit lower quality compared to the Doyle options. So you could go with a 4-piece plier set that's normally priced at $25. It is on a current ITC deal at $20, but you're better off to save that 35% on them. And here's a style of pliers that I have in a different brand, and they have come in handy. It's the Quinn 10-inch self-adjusting pliers. It'd be great for gripping on the PVC, and it also prevents hand fatigue. So it is an auto adjusting plier. It'll adjust as soon as you clamp down on a nut, and then you can apply more pressure to it to be able to create that torque on whatever fastener you're trying to get loose. And those retail at $11. So again, that'd be a good pickup on those. And they do have a smaller version of the 7-inch ones that are priced at $10. So $6.50 for those, you really can't beat that price. And since the other brands don't offer versions like that, I think it'd be a good pickup for the Quinn option. And Quinn has you covered with the other different varieties of linemen's pliers and diagonal cutters and long nose pliers. So different options there to choose from. All right, the other items that are included in that same deal is on the screwdriver sets from Icon and Doyle and Quinn. So you save that 35% off on all of them. So definitely many good options to choose from. And perhaps even this one might be a good pickup if you're looking for a full set from the Quinn 15-piece screwdriver set. They have a nice comfort grip to them. This is just Phillips and slotted screwdrivers of different sizes, and that retails at $28 for that. And if you do a lot of work with small fasteners that require precise torque to them, they have this Quinn precision torque screwdriver set. It's a 22-piece set. It includes these different bits, and it is good from a torque range of 10 to 50 inch-pounds of torque, and it's adjustable in 1 inch per pound increments for maximum precision. So here are the bits that it does include, and it comes in a nice hard plastic case to store everything in, and obviously has a lifetime warranty. It is priced at $85, which is pretty expensive for something like this, but it is a torque screwdriver, so you need that precision, then might be a good pickup there to save that 35% on. And they have a precision screwdriver set by Quinn. It's a 12-piece set. It comes in this organizer too, so you could put it right in a toolbox, and that's priced at $15. And it does have a case included with that too, so you could store them in that as well. And these are the different bits that it includes. So a pretty good assortment of the slotted Phillips, Star, and Hex. And there's the item number there. So this would be a good pickup, I think, for saving the 35% off of the 15. And here's like a newer item to the market. It's on the 14-in-1 precision screwdriver nut driver set. This is similar to the Klein version. And these are the different bits that it includes. So a good variety again. That's priced at $12 for that. And again, here are the bits that it's included. And the cap of it does spin, so you can easily turn it and fasten different fasteners with it. This is going to be another item I'm planning on picking up during this parking lot sale. And then next up is a Doyle option of the 3-piece insulated screwdrivers. So if you're doing electrical work, these are rated at 1,000-volt insulated protection, and it comes in the Phillips, slotted, and the ECX number 14, which would be good for working on outlets and switches. And that's priced at $10 normally, so it'd be $6.50 for those. That'd be a good pickup on those. And they have a 7-piece cushion grip screwdriver set that retails at $23. And Doyle also offers a 2-piece demolition screwdrivers. It has a steel striking cap to the ends there, so you can hammer on them if you need to. And it's a number 2 Phillips 6-inch and a slotted 5/16 inch. And that's priced at $10 normally. So that'd be another good pickup there for only $6.50. And Doyle also has a 11-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver that retails at $15. So it has a number of different bits in there of Phillips, slotted, square, Torx, and nut drivers. So this would be similar to like a Milwaukee version at only a fraction of the price, obviously. And the thing that's nice about it, it is ratcheting, so that makes it more convenient to loosen and tighten up fasteners. Another Quinn option is on the 6-piece diamond tip screwdriver set. It has a nice comfort grip to them as well, and they're in the Phillips and slotted. They are nicely marked on the top part of what they are, and those are priced at $17. And they have the couple different versions of the Icon in the green and red professional mechanic screwdriver set. It's the 8-piece set. It does only cover the Phillips and slotted screwdrivers, and those are priced at $50. So again, save that 35% would make it a good deal on these. And another option is on the Quinn 2-piece screwdriver set. So it'd be a Phillips and slotted, and those are priced at $4 normally. and those do have a magnetic tip to them. All right, those are going to be the options I'm going to cover in this video for saving the 35% off on all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers sets. So let me know down in the comments below what you plan on picking up and maybe which ones to avoid. People do read your comments, and it's good to have the opinions of others of what they recommend or don't recommend. So if you gain value from this video, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits when we reach 50,000 subscribers. And again, I appreciate that support. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.